Have you ever wondered what's inside a black hole? A place in the universe where the laws of physics simply stop working. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses in on itself. Its gravity becomes so extreme that nothing can escape, not even light. The boundary is called the event horizon. Once you cross it, there is no way back. From the outside, it would appear as if time slows down. But for you, the fall would feel almost normal. At the center lies something known as a singularity, an infinitely small point with infinite density. Here, space and time no longer exist as we understand them. The truth is, no one truly knows what lies inside a black hole. It may reveal new laws of physics or answers we are not yet ready to face.